Alright, I saw a lot of durians here. The most famous is the Mao Shan Wang from $1 souvenirs. You know, there's a Starbucks, Xingbake in Chinese. This is a famous Shalongkan hotpot restaurant from China. Greetings from Chinatown, Singapore. Today I'm at the Chinatown night market. Let's explore. It's a weekday evening, about 7:45 p.m. The night has just started, and most of Singaporeans are having dinner right now, or going to have it, or had already finished their dinner. The weather is good. There's no rain today, even though it's like the rainy season. We have the Mixue ice cream shop, which is a popular ice cream from Singaporeans. Then we have lots of gift shop here selling the postcard, magnets, soft toys, and they are even to sell a Chinese pen right there. The lanterns. $1 souvenirs. Then we reach this restaurant and look at that above, so iconic. So beautiful, the buildings, shop house. I see lots of foreigners having their meal here. The price is about $16 for a plate of fried rice. If you think that it's expensive because it's in the downtown area and they're paying for the chill factor of it, rather than the price, rather than just the meal itself. And the left side the Chai Show. It's a Thai restaurant here. Sawadi, it means welcome in Thai, since 2006. And the menu is about $14 to $15 per item. And in front, is another part of the night market. Let's explore more. I see the luggages here. Alright, I saw a lot of durians here. The most famous is the Mao Shan Wang from Malaysia. They have the bread go as well. Newly opened durian, bread cones and other fruits. Oh, Asian home. And surprisingly, I saw 2 parrots and 1 pigeon. There are panda toys here. Soft toys, I mean. Wow. And the t-shirts, one for $10. This is one of the must visit for tourists and also for locals. I mean, it's like it's in the town area, right? And then if you're free, just drop by. Don't need to buy anything. Just window shopping will do. You know, there's a Starbucks, Xingbake in Chinese. It's really like atas here. I mean, it's like so nice, right? Wow. And this side is more beautiful but less customers, and plenty of space to walk around. And there's even a shop house for rental. Wow, the red color shop houses. Can you imagine staying upstairs and the aroma of the food just come up whenever you open your window. And then if you're hungry, all you need to do is to slowly walk now. In just 10 seconds you can reach. All you need is some little cash. Oh, another durian shop there. 1 kilo 38 for the Mao Shan Wang. And Chinatown, I mean in Chinatown there are lots of people from China. You know, we can recognize they are Chinese. It's not from Singapore. They know it once they speak the Chinese, the Mandarin. There's a Wontonki chicken rice here. All these are some kind of restaurant. It's a special restaurant with a dragon and some fishes. It's a big crab, right?